believes she is the best dancer we have right here tonight? Huh? Ati? No, nataka hapa. Who believes she is the best dancer we have right now? Ladies first. I need 2 ladies who believe they are the best dancers. Pande hii, tuko na mmoja. Do we have any? Kuja. Come. Please come. Aya, let's try this side. Ako wapi? Can you imagine just because of dancing unapata return ticket kwenda Nairobi na kurudi courtesy of Renegade Air? Courtesy of Renegade Air. Aya, kuja. Come. Kuja. Jomose miel kodie mosie mi bia. Aya, kuja. Gik mi miel go in go iluora ngo. Usa miye courage do. Aya. Ere machielo. Wapi mwingine? Aya, kuja. Come. Aha, kujeni. Aya, tulete watatu ama wametosha? Watatu. Wametoka wote this side. This side, si ndio? This side hakuna mtu. You believe you are the best dancer we have in this house tonight?
I can try.
You can try. Na wewe?
I believe.
You believe. So one can try, one amejiamini, si ndio? Aya. Are you all ready? Aya, kujeni songa mbele. My super DJ, do you have something for them? Aya, let's do this. Wekikuangi di round 1, mundu wangi idonge. Aya, let's do this, my super DJ. Let's do this. Tudo. Aha. Shikilia, hold it, my super DJ. Hold it, my super. Do we have a winner? Apenjo une. Wawe urawe aginigie finals. Kokalo kanyiri gidhi wuotho duk. Aya, kujeni. Aha. Lazima tupate mshindi, si ndio? Are you all ready? Mwalimu kikijali ama nyomogo. Aya, are you ready, ladies and gentlemen? My super DJ, are you ready? In 1, 2, 3, let's go. Hold it, my super DJ. Kuja. Wangapi wanasema ni huyu? Hey, ladies and gentlemen, please come. Amanda wapi? Ako wapi? Oh, come. Just come. All right. So, ladies and gentlemen, aya, tunyamaze. Mano mar dweche adi? Aya, tunyamaze tafadhali. Aya. Thank you so much. Wangapi wamekubali ni huyu? All right. So, ladies and gentlemen, courtesy of the best local airline we have in the country right now, we are talking about Fly Renegade Air, ladies and gentlemen, gives this lady a return ticket kwenda Nairobi na kurudi. Karibu sana Mr. Patrick. So much. Thank you. Hold it my super DJ. Hold it my super DJ. Ladies and gentlemen, let's appreciate Renegade Air and Mr. Patrick Okech here. Karibu sana Mr. Patrick. Ladies and gentlemen, aya. King Dia Studio. Aya. Umewahi panda ndege? Once. So this will be the second time you are boarding a flight.
I'm happy, thanks.
Wow. So Mr. Patrick here, do you have something to say as you present the return ticket?
Yes. I'm also Teni Berurute, the HOMA Bay County. I'm also Berurute. This is Okech Patrick from Fly Renegade Airlines, the best airline in Kenya for serving the people of HOMA Bay. So today, we are going to award the best lady here, the return ticket from HOMA Bay to Nairobi. And when it gets to Nairobi, I will also extend a complimentary lunch at Carnival so that she can enjoy. And for the people who doesn't know about Renegade Airline, we fly to HOMA Bay, we fly to Kisumu and Wajir. This is the best airline, and mindek jo luok kende. Kornya kwa supported nikech nyarwa ni bemial maber dongu yenu wamia ticket. Kauna ncheng mana chieng entertainment onge wach promotion mar airline. Koro wami nyako mondo miel wami ticket. To awanjo na konya dhi kende ni nyako dhi gi ng'ato.
Jadi ma wacho ni ok onyadhi kende. Koro wadwaro chwadi bobi omiel kaeri.
Oko nga penja na nyako pono yeno bro dhi kende. Ibro dhi kende.
Aya, kwanza linguru ne. Linguru. Uko na mtu?
I'm very single and searching. Very single. Yes.
Single and ready to mingle.
Aya. Ayeni kech ni Homa Bay ka.
Aparo ni korosimi. Ibro dhi kode ni kitchen single. Ibro dhi kode kanyakla.
Ladies and gentlemen, I am also a hard-working man who believes in the Almighty Lord, and I am single, and we will mingle. So we want Mr. Patrick Okech to present to her the return ticket from Kabunde International Airport to Wilson and back to Kabunde, and during her stay in Nairobi, she will have a lunch at Carnival, courtesy of the best airline we have in the country right now. We are talking about, yes, remember, hold it. Remember, Renegade Air flies 3 times every week from Kabunde to Nairobi and back to Nairobi. Yes, and of course, if you are traveling from the lakeside city of Kisumu, Renegade fly twice daily to and from Wilson Airport to Kisumu and back to Nairobi. Let's give a round of applause to Wilson, to Fly Renegade Air, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you so much, Mr. Patrick Okech. Can you please? Tumshukuru, ladies and gentlemen. Tupigie makofi. Thank you so much. Asante sana. Thank you so much. Thank you. Asante sana. Thank you so much. Oromo. Oromo. Mwanaume mgani anataka kuona na yeye? Udware getuon manadeni. Ni huyu. Aya, kuja. Just come. Kuja. Iol manade. Iol manade. Wakel gi ariyo koso maromo. Ariyo. Ariyo. Ha? Giwacho ni maja tago vuo ma ok dansa. Ha? Ere machielo? Koni ere moro? Ha? Ma? Aya bi. Aya. Ariyo gi oromo. Ariyo gi oromo. Wakel maradek. Maradek. Giromo. Giromo. Aya, my super DJ, are you ready? Are you ready? Huh? Are you ready? All right, let's do this. Come out of position. My super DJ. Yes? Huh? Huh? Tuongeze moja. Aya. Wamesema tuongeze watatu. Ha? Ha? Aya, kuja. Wanasema hold it. Hey. Wanasema eti huyu atoke eti yeye ni dancer. Atoke asitoke? Asitoke, si ndio? Haya. Kujeni, kujeni. Mko wote? Wote wanataka kudance? Haya. Haya. Kila mtu akamate position. Nataka ngapi akamate position? Tafadhali kila mtu akamate position yake. Aha. Tuanze tusianze? Haya, kuja. Ati huyo kuja huku. Katikati. Haya, kuja. Kuja. Haya. Are you all ready, ladies and gentlemen? Are you all ready? In 1, 2, 3, let's go! Hey, hey! Hold it, my super DJ! Hold it, my super DJ! Wamemaliza ama tuende final? Ha? Wamemaliza ama tuende final? Wamemaliza? Wamemaliza? Haya, riedeni hapa, riedeni hapa, riedeni hapa. Riedeni hapa. Tuanze na pande gani? Huku. Wangapi wanasema ni huyu? Aha. Wangapi wanasema ni huyu? Wangapi wanasema ni boss? Wangapi wanasema ni huyu? Wangapi wanasema ni huyu? Aya. Ni kama kuna wawili wameshika. Si ndio? Ambaye ni huyu na huyu, si ndio? Haya, asanteni sana. Wanaingia finals. Si ndio? Wanaingia finals. Haya, tusonge mbele. Are you ready, my super DJ? Are you ready, ladies and gentlemen? In 1, 2, let's go! Wapi shangwe na vigelegele? Hold it, my super DJ. Hold it, my super DJ. Do we have a winner? Do we have a winner? Haya, kujeni, kujeni. Kujeni, kujeni. Kuja. Wangapi wanasema ni huyu? Wangapi wanasema ni huyu? Now, ladies and gentlemen, there's even more good news. Are you ready to hear the good news? Now, the winner will get a return ticket to Nairobi, courtesy of Renegade Air,